Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite vacuum cleaners on all of Amazon. You guys, this one is one of the most unique, and this is going to save you so much time. This is the BISSELL Crosswave. You guys, not only is this going to vacuum your hardwood floors, it's also going to mop all in one. It is so cool. This is going to be your choice if you have a lot of hardwood floors, tile, hard surface floors in your home. Not great for carpets, but so what this one does is it allows you to sweep, with the vacuum up all of your hardwood floors and mop them all in one step. So one device, one thing, that's all it takes. There is, handheld buttons right up on the top of the handle that are going to allow you to switch modes. So you can easily switch from, okay, we're sweeping this area, we're vacuuming up all of the dirt and dust, and then you can trigger out your cleaning solution and mop that right up. By the way, the mop has two different tanks, so you never have to worry. It has your clean solution on one side, the dirty solution on the other, so you don't have to worry about mixing those. No more dirty mop bucket, ew, no more, just mopping with the old gross water. This, that you're gonna be using clean solution, clean water in each new area of your home. It also is really great because you can easily switch to vacuuming up rugs. So if you're like me and you have hardwood floors in your living room, but you have a rug as well, it makes it so easy to just effortlessly pop onto that rug, and you're cleaning those floors, you're sweeping those right up, and then you're back onto the hardwood floors, all with one device. You're mopping all with one device. It's gonna save you a ton of time, a ton of effort, and all of a sudden the chore of sweeping and mopping seems so much more feasible. BISSELL, you guys, they are great quality, they're amazing, and they donate a portion of your proceeds, or their proceeds from the purchase, to their animal foundation. So go ahead, you guys, it's a win-win. Put this in your cart. You'll be so happy you did.